Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add a glow effect in Photopea. Basically, it's extremely simple to add a glow effect, but to make this effect even better, we then have to use another tools or other tools in order to use this to its full potential. Because if you don't, you will just have a simple outer glow effect right here. So let's then try it into this image. I'll add the outer glow, and as you can see, if I turn it into something like the bigger size, it will then have a simple glow like this one. Now if you want this effect, it's extremely simple. Just double click on your image right here or your layer, click on outer glow, and from here you can then customize your glow the way you want to. But if you want to make this effect even better, what you can do is to go ahead and first highlight your character. In my case, it's going to be the Iron Man right here. And after highlighting your character, you can then separate the layer from the background. So after that, you can just press Ctrl J, and then you will be able to separate your image from your character right here. So the next thing that you want to do to add the glow effect, once again, double click on your image, scroll down, click on the outer glow. And from here, we then have the same effect. And since Iron Man is red, let's then go ahead and add something like a red glow right here. And then let's also add a gradient so it will then show that effect into Iron Man. And as you can see, with that out of the way, we successfully add a better glow effect for Iron Man onto our Photopea image right here. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.